I'm in stock in a situation where you're using Elementor and you need to go to the pro version and you are low on funds. So this will be a perfect video for you. In this video, we'll see how you can get Elementor Pro for, if not a better price, for a cheaper price, or absolutely free. So as you all know, with Elementor Pro, you can actually subscribe monthly with the essential, the popular, the advanced, or the expert. But for us students, we actually find it very difficult. So in this video, we're going to show you the best go-to alternative on how to get Elementor Pro for absolutely free. So the first thing is below this. So below this video, you see a link to a Google Drive. From that Google Drive, you can get Elementor Pro. So I'll just copy and paste the link, but it will be on the description below. So in the link below, you see a link to a Google Drive, which once you click on that link, you can download Elementor Pro from this download button up here. You just click download and you give it some time for it to download. Once it's download, you just need to come to add plugin. I already have. Come to add plugin on your WordPress dashboard, upload plugin. Now you choose from your download folder on your drive. So Elementor Pro, the best thing I just like to drag and drop. If you don't know how to do, you can choose a file, then you locate it here. It's the same thing. Click open and you click install. So with that, you actually have Elementor Pro installed on a friendly budget, which is actually perfect for you. And a mind that is actually for studies purpose only. So you will not need it to do any other stuff, but mainly for studies purposes only. So if you're actually a fan of WordPress, getting started with WordPress, you can actually stay tuned to our YouTube channel as we bring in so much WordPress tutorial. So that will be a goodbye for now.